To keep your Oculus Quest operating at peak performance, here are some things you should know. It's important that you keep direct sunlight away from the headset. The sun's rays can cause permanent damage to the lenses and screen inside. Don't place it near a window or anywhere direct sunlight can hit the lens. When cleaning your headset, be sure not to use alcohol or an abrasive cleaning solution. They could damage the device. The inside of the Oculus Quest headset can be cleaned with non-abrasive antibacterial wipes. You can always refer to the support articles on the app or the Oculus website for more details on device care. Modifying the headset to work with glasses using the provided glasses spacer is easy. Your glasses frames are compatible if they're smaller than 142 millimeters wide and 50 millimeters in height. To insert the glasses spacer, gently remove the facial interface foam. Then attach the glasses spacer to the back of the facial interface with the glasses logo on top. Press it into place. Then, reinsert the facial interface foam back into place. That's it.